The KingChii 66-bottle intelligent digital control wine cooler is made for both built-in and freestanding use, making it versatile for various home and kitchen settings. It has a sleek and modern aesthetic, featuring a sturdy stainless steel frame and a tempered glass door that protects against UV rays, preventing potential damage to your wine collection. The 66-bottle capacity makes it perfect for serious collectors, while its dimensions allow it to fit seamlessly into any space, as either a built-in or freestanding unit. The touch-sensitive control panel is user-friendly with precise temperature adjustments between 41°F and 64°F. The digital display is clear and easy to read, showing the current temperature and other settings so your wine is stored at the optimal temperature. It hums at a low 38 dB, making it perfect for open floor plans where the kitchen and living room are interconnected. The low noise operation of the advanced compressor technology minimizes vibrations, protecting your wine from sediment disturbance. Adjustable and removable shelves provide a classic look that also allows for flexibility in storing different bottle sizes. The shelves slide smoothly for easy access to your collection without jostling the bottles. The cooler can be seamlessly integrated into your kitchen cabinetry for a streamlined look, or as a freestanding unit that can be placed anywhere in your home. The energy-efficient compressor and insulation keep desired temperatures with minimal energy consumption. The advanced cooling system evenly distributes cold air, preventing temperature fluctuations that could negatively impact the wine. The cooler also features a humidity control system that keeps the interior at the optimal humidity level, preventing corks from drying out and preserving your wine's integrity. The KingChii 66-bottle wine cooler offers a sophisticated and efficient solution for wine collectors. Its intelligent digital control, low noise operation, and versatile installation options make it a standout choice for both casual wine drinkers and serious collectors. The generous capacity and flexible shelving ensure that a wide variety of wines can be stored and accessed with ease. The benefits of consistent temperature control, energy efficiency, and sleek design make it a worthy investment for those who value proper wine storage.